This 5-minute solution will show you how to enable call and message button on Contact Widget in iPhone iOS 17. It's super easy process to do it. First of all, search for a empty space and long press on a empty space. Then tap on this plus icon. Tap on search widgets and type here contact. Now tap on contacts and select this first widget template and tap on add widget. Once the widget added, tap on done. Now tap and hold the widget, tap on edit widget, and here tap on contact. Now select your contact, then toggle show buttons, and as you can see the message and call buttons. And this is how we can add or enable message and call button on Contact Widget. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.